studying 10th standard. I am going to say Indian state and capital. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Bihar, Patna, Chandigarh, Raipur, Goa, Patna, Gujarat, Tamil Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shillong, Rajasthan, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Madhya Pradesh, Goa, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Mysore, Nagaland, Kochima, Pune, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Kerala, West Bengal, Kolkata.